to recite a poem on Ganesha, the cosmic composer. It's my own poem. Um, in the grand symphony of life, Ganesha is the cosmic composer, weaving melodies of creations with the brush strokes of stars and the rhythm of galaxies. Ganesha, the cosmic composer, in the cosmic symphonies, grand embrace Ganesha, you hold the conductor's space with an elephant's heart, elephant's head, wisdom profound. You compose melodies that astound your ears like satellite dishes. They soar, capturing the whispers of the universe core, each note a star, each rhythm a planet's sway. In your music, galaxies dance and play. A lotus blossoms in your gentle hand, as notes of creation, petals unfurl across the world, petals unfurl across the land with celestial grace as you craft the destinations of every place in your grasp. They scarred cosmic pen with it with it, you write the fates of women and men, each stroke a story, each line a verse. In your tales, the universe treasures. An angst rests by your side, potent and true. It flows through illusions, old and new, with its swing. Ignores, shatters, and falls, revealing the truth within ancient wall. At your feet, a mouse scamper and reveals its presence, a lesson for all the world. In its humility, a reminder so bright that greatness comes from the purest light. O Ganesha, the cosmic composer, divine in your symphony, all beings entwined. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.